Hey there guys, Reviews here, and today we are checking out the Hand River 5-in-1 multifunction vacuum cleaner. Okay, so here's what we have from the box. We have our USB charging cord. This is the normal brush. This one is the floor brush. And this large one right here is our very large floor brush. These are connectors for our large floor brush, and this is an extension hose. You can connect it from either side, and it's flexible. So this is the flat long mouth for narrow and hard to reach areas. And of course our main vacuum cleaner, the Hand River 5-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So this is the dust collection box, entirety of the front part. Inside that is the HEPA filter, the white part. Inside our dust collection box, the power switch right here. There goes the peel. That is our power switch. The handle is right here. It's really comfy on the hands. These are air outlets, so from this side and the other side. And we have our charging port at the bottom of the handle. So if you push the switch up, that's how our Hand River 5-in-1 vacuum cleaner sounds like. So from this part on the front is where we connect our accessories so that we can filter dust and other impurities from our floors. So you just put it here directly, like so. Easy enough, right? You can also put the brush in. There we go. You can also put the floor brush directly on that opening, as well as our large floor brush with wheels under. So these are wheels, and this is the brush part, the red lining on the bottom. So you can move this part depending on the angle you need it to be. So this one you can connect directly as well on our vacuum cleaner. You can also use the extension hose and attach maybe the brush on the other end. So these large tubes connect with each other like so to form the longer arm and transform our hand river vacuum cleaner into a rather long handheld vacuum. On the end part, we'll attach any of the brushes which we have introduced earlier. It would look something like that. And now you can use the 5-in-1 vacuum cleaner while you are standing. So for sofas, floors, and the like. Our hand river 5-in-1 vacuum cleaner has a rated voltage of 7.4 volts. Rated power is 120 watts. Weight is around 1.2 kilograms. And our dustbin capacity is about 0.35 liters. Okay, charging our hand river 5-in-1 vacuum cleaner is easy. So just take the cord, charging cord, plug this one to a USB interface, and we plug this other end on this slot at the end of the handle, like so. And we should be able to charge our hand river vacuum cleaner. So the red light on the charging cord will light up while it is charging, and then you will know that it is fully charged when the red light is gone. So to clean our hand river portable vacuum cleaner, you have to remove the dustbin, twist it like so. So you see the locks come off, and then you just pull the dustbin off the main vacuum cleaner like so. And here we will find our filter. So you can remove it like so, just put it up. And there you go. So these can be washed with water, both of these components. Just make sure that they are all clean and dried when you pull it back together and before you reinstall it to our hand river vacuum cleaner. Just the same, all you need to do, if it's already clean, reinstall the filter like that, and then just find the groove for the locks like what we did earlier. We remove it, sort of like an L type of thing. So just push it in there and then you twist to the right. You can now use the vacuum cleaner and it's like new. So there you go guys, with our review of the Hand River 5-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner. As we have shown you, it has decent suction power. This is really designed for carpets, sofas, So since we can use this without wire, it is perfect for our cars as well. In terms of the rechargeable battery for our vacuum cleaner, we have been using this for 2 weeks now. For normal everyday use, the charge on our battery will last for 5 to 7 days. And in terms of charging, it goes from 0 to fully charged in about 2.5 to 3 hours. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our review of the Hand River 5-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner. If you have any inquiries about this item right here, please do not hesitate to comment down below. We will also put a link on our video description if ever you wanted to check this portable vacuum cleaner from Hand River on their website and where we got our unit right here. So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all. You'll get notified when we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abners Reviews. I'll catch you guys on the next one.